Hello everyone, you're welcome to another exciting week of growing your business with Linda. As usual, I come to you every week giving you tips on how you can manage and grow your small business without breaking the bank. Today, I'm going to be talking about two things. I'm going to be talking about the importance of registering your business. I talked about that in the last episode. You need to also open an account for your business, a bank account where the payments and funds go in, and also keep proper records of your business. Let's quickly dive in. So number one, when people start their businesses, for those of them who finally struggle and register a company name or business name or venture name, and for those of them who also try to protect their idea and have patent rights on whatever they're doing, some of them run the business for a while, sometimes 6 months, 1 year, and even almost 2 years, with their own personal accounts before they decide to go and open a company bank account. Now, the big problem with that is when you do go to the bank after 2-3 years of running the business, and then you're explaining to the bank, I have been doing this business for 3 years, and the bank says, we need your bank statement, so your company bank statement, and then you bring a company bank statement showing a year and 6 months or 2 years, and then the bank is saying, where was the initial first year of the business? You don't want to be saying stuffs like, I was using my personal bank account. So that's a problem. So you can't even keep proper track of how funds were coming in and how they were spent, because it's also, with your personal funds and then you're just spending. It becomes a very big problem also for your accountant who decides to keep records of your book. It's very important that immediately you register your company name, please do register a company name. So some people are scared, if I do register a company bank account, people are going to charge me, I'm going to be taxed. Not necessarily. You're only taxed when the business becomes profitable and is doing well. Then nobody's going to charge you, tax you for running a business and isn't making profits. It just helps you to be able to keep track on how well you're doing, inflows and outflow, helps your bookkeeping manager to be able to keep records of your book, and makes it seamless and easy for you to have access to funds when you necessarily now need to have, go to the bank for loans. You don't want to walk into the bank and explaining yourself that you didn't have an initial account for the company. Number two, I also talked about you having proper bookkeeping. When small companies, for instance, SMEs start running a business, it's always a very big task for them keeping records, of how cash is coming in. So we have the inflows and outflow. It's very difficult, as I said a few minutes ago, if you are using your personal bank account for that. It's not easy for us to separate how much is coming into the business and how much is going out. And that becomes almost ridiculous for your accountant to be able to manage. When you have or start a business, make sure that there's an account, and that account shows money going in and money going out. Make sure you keep records of everything, the receipts of how much spent in whatever, whether it's taking a cab, whether it's an internet, whether it's buying a laptop. Make sure that it is clear how much you're spending on certain things. It just helps you to know if you are running a profitable business or a business at a loss. That account that you have opened keeps all these tracks and records. And then the receipt also makes it easy. So I bought goods worth 5,000. I paid my transport fare 2,000. I was able to sell these goods for 12,000. How much is my profit? Considering the cost, my time, money, you need to now be able to measure to see if you're really running a profitable business or just a side hustle. So sometimes it's difficult for people to differentiate between their main business, running a proper company and a side hustle. You don't want to suffer all those kind of things. So as a small business, I said 2 things for today. Number 1 is make sure you open a company bank account once you register the company name. And number 2, always try to keep proper records of your business, which is seamless and easy if you have a company name. So all the info is going there and expenses made, outflow, and also from that account. So it's easy to keep the records. Until I come your way again, I remain your host and growing your business with Linda.